This is not a very detailed video about how to install a diesel heater, but I just want to show you that you can do it too and give you some motivation, because I had no idea how to do it and I did it. In our first van build, we had the diesel heater on top of the car in a red box. That was definitely not optimal. So this time we wanted to do it properly and install the heater under the car. We were not able to lift the car up, so I had to crawl under the car. There was not much space to work and it was winter, so the floor was quite cold. So if you can lift the car, your life will be much easier. First we had to decide which heater to order. We went for something in between the very expensive Webasto and the very cheap Chinese diesel heater. We went for the Planar 2D. It was a 2 kilowatt heater, which was enough for a small VW bus. If you have a bigger camper or a bigger room to heat, there is also a 5 kilowatt version. Because we installed it under the car, we also ordered a metal box just to cover the heater, make it last longer and be protected. We ordered anti-vibration screws to make sure that the heater is fine and not being destroyed by all the driving and the bumps while driving. Then there was only the battery missing, which we already had this time, so we had all the parts together. There is a great channel on YouTube from John MCK47 which explains everything in detail. He's using the Chinese diesel heater, but all the heaters are basically kind of the same. Just the quality is sometimes different of some of the parts, but there you can, if you really want to learn it, see how it works. At least that was my apprenticeship, and with that knowledge and all his videos, I was able to do it by myself. First I prepared the box. I put the heater inside, closed the box and attached the air intake as well as the air exhaust. I connected the little diesel pump to the pipe, the diesel pipe of the car, to have diesel whenever we needed it and not having an extra tank, which was much more convenient. After the box was ready, I used the anti-vibration screws, made holes under the car and just attached the box first. The cable was attached to the heater, and on the other end, with a 12-volt cigar connector, we could connect it whenever we needed it to our portable battery. Now we have a warm room for winter. For details on how things work and how to install it yourself, check the channel of John MCK47. It was a very fun and rewarding project, and I loved installing it. I didn't know that I like it in the beginning, but every time we use our heater now, it's just a pleasure to hear it work. After 2 years, it still runs perfectly. Next and last step of our van conversion will be building the bed. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and good luck with your diesel heater. Bye bye.